Today, we are talking about email funnels and how they can help you to turn subscribers into real customers. Many people collect email addresses but do not know what to do after that. If you only send random emails, most subscribers will ignore them or unsubscribe. That is why businesses use email funnels. An email funnel is a simple sequence of emails designed to guide a person from first contact all the way to making a purchase. In this video, I will explain how to build an email funnel that actually converts using simple steps that beginners can follow. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and marketing tools for your business. Today, we are talking about building effective email funnels that help you to build relationships with your audience and increase the conversions. I also placed helpful resources in the description where you can explore tools that can help you to create email funnels easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using those link, any available benefits or offer will be applied automatically, so you will not waste your time. Now, let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand how to build an email funnel that converts. The first thing you need is a clear entry point where people join your email list. This usually happens through a landing page, a sign up form, or a free resources. Many business offers something valuable like a free guide, checklist, or template. When someone signs up, they are showing the interest in your topic or product. This is the beginning of the email funnel. Once someone joins your list, the first email they receive that should be a welcome email. This message introduces you and your brand and thank the subscriber for joining. It is also a good time to deliver the free resources you promised during the sign up. A friendly welcome email helps you to create a positive first impression and encourages the subscribers to trust your content. After the welcome email, the next part of the funnel focuses on building trust. Instead of immediately selling a product, you should send helpful content that solve these small problems for your audience. These emails might include tips, tutorials, case studies, or helpful insights related to your niche. The goal here is to show your expertise and build credibility with your subscribers. As the funnel continues, you can slowly introduce your product or services. This is usually done by explaining a problem your audience faces and then showing how your solution helps to fix that problem. Instead of pushing a hard sales message, the email should feel like helpful advice. When people see the value in your solution, they become more interested in learning more. Another important part of an email funnel is storytelling. Sharing the real examples, customer stories, or personal experiences can make your emails feel more authentic. Stories help readers connect emotionally and understand how your product can improve their situation. Timing also matters in a successful email funnel. Emails should be spaced out so subscribers have the time to read and engage with the content. Sending too many emails too quickly can overwhelm the readers, while sending them too slowly that may cause people to forget about your brand. Finding a balanced rhythm that helps you to keep your audience engaged. Automation tool make this entire process easier. On the market there are hundreds of automation tools that allow you to create the automated email sequences. This means when someone joins your list, the funnel automatically starts sending the emails in the correct order without manual work. Automation saves time and ensures every subscriber receives the same well-designed experience. Tracking results is also important. Email marketing tools provide the analytics such as the open rates, click rates, and conversions. These numbers help you to understand which emails are performing well and which one need improvement. By adjusting your subject line, content, or call to action, you can gradually improve the performance of your funnel. In simple words, a good email funnel starts with a sign up offer, then send a welcome email, build trust through the helpful content, introduces a solution, and guides the reader toward taking action. With the help of automation tool and good content, email funnels can consistently turn subscribers into loyal customers. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this guide. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple marketing strategies and business tools. Don't forget to check the link from description for helpful resources, so any available benefits that will be applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video. Take care and start building your email funnels that convert.